guys, I went back to sleep. It's now almost 10 o'clock in the morning, so I got a few more hours in. I'm going to, I guess, start getting ready for the day, and then pack up this tent and get going. Let's get the day started. Okay. Let's go. All right, let's wash the face, tone, serum. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, I have my misting bottle. And as always, just wipe. Got my tea. Those gunshots. I hope you guys caught that. Okay, so I have my toner, I have my serum. I'm gonna put on my eye mask, and then I still have this. I haven't used it yet. I'll probably use this when I get home, to be honest. I swear I'm hearing gunshots. All right, let's go brush our teeth. Get ready for the day. Okay. All right, let's change back in here. All right, so I have an idea for the weather. What I typically do is just kind of like crack the windows open a little bit, get myself ready in here, and then we'll be on our way. So, ooh, I'm still yawning. I figured, let me show you guys what I'm gonna wear. So today's outfit will be a very simple one. My Knix bodysuit paired with my sweatpants that I'm currently wearing. I will change into my shorts once it gets a little hotter, but for now I'm just gonna stick with the sweatpants because it's still a little cool. I'm gonna do my hair a little bit. I'm gonna brush it and whatnot, and then I'm gonna do some stretches with my resistance bands. I'm going to get myself mobile. I'm gonna make sure I'm feeling good before I leave. Then I'll probably pack up this tent maybe around like 10:30ish. Be out of here by like 11. It's gonna take me about an hour or so to drive through Kananaskis. I am debating if I do want to go paddleboarding. I do have my swimsuit with me. If I decide to go paddleboarding, I have my one and only Knix swimwear. I have the scoop top and I have the shorts. If it warms up enough, I will go paddleboarding. If not, I'm just gonna chill. Just gonna hang out, do what I typically do. All right, so yeah, let me get ready, let me get dressed, and I'll catch you guys soon. So I am using my TENS machine because my neck is killing me. I've been laying here for like probably the last like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and my neck is just bugging. So I am going to hook myself up for 20 minutes, maybe 30. We'll see how it goes. So I am using my Saje Extra Strength Pain Relieving roll-on my neck. I like to put this on after I've used my TENS machine. I'm going to use it on this side too. You know, I didn't use my TENS machine here, but I do feel a bit of a pull. It honestly Honestly, if there was a product I had to promote today other than Knix, would be Sage. It really, really helps alleviate what's going on in there. Now, I do also have, I didn't talk about this last night, but I have my Sleep Well roll-on that I use right before I go to bed. It helps kind of like calm me down, relax me. I just kind of meditate in the scent and then fall asleep. And then I also have my Peppermint Halo Headache Remedy. This was just in case I got a headache because I am allergic to nature, but I still find my way out here. I also brought along with me my Muscle Melt body butter, just in case I had any aches and pains in my legs, because sometimes if I go hiking or paddleboarding, before I go camping or anything like that, any physical exertion, my muscles do get a little tight, a little locked, so I do have that. I also brought my Sage Pain Release body oil. Like I told you, like I got everything I need. I'm very much a natural healing girl, so I brought along as much as I possibly could. If it got too hot and I need to cool myself down, I did bring the Cool Down Refreshing Body Mist. Now, 3 of these products you get in the Body Recovery Kit from Saje Wellness. I will link this down below. And then the 2 essential roll-ons came in my day and night bundle that I have on my bedside. I just grabbed 2 that I knew I was going to need. And then the other product, the oil, was just bought separately. So I will link these products down below if you are interested. I'll also link all the Knix stuff down below if you're interested in purchasing them. I am a brand ambassador for Knix and for Saje Wellness. Again, like, I bring this stuff when I go camping, okay? This isn't just like stuff I use at home and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, you guys should shop it, like, it's so great. Like, no, it actually is great. Like, I use it during my adventures, my everyday life. I use Knix Sage damn near everything I am a brand ambassador for. Like, even BioSteel. I have my hydration drink with me, and I also brought the hydration packs because I had said if I'm going to go camping and I'm going to potentially go paddleboarding and I'm potentially going to go hiking, I need hydration. So I brought my BioSteel hydration. Like, I'm not a brand ambassador for any company that I don't actually use. I've been using BioSteel since, oh my gosh, how long now? I used BioSteel back in university when I was on the varsity lacrosse team. BioSteel was like my go-to, more than Gatorade in terms of like drinks and stuff like that. Creatine, what I am getting into now is the powders, like the green powders. So I use this in my everyday life and clearly in my adventures when I'm out of the city. So that's how you know it's a good product. If I'm willing to bring it, like I wouldn't bring extra weight on these trips if I didn't use these products. Put it that way. I wouldn't carry these in my bag to be like, oh my gosh, it's so great, just to talk about it if I didn't actually use it. So that's how you know I'm not bullshitting you. Anyways, I am packing up my bag here. I'm going to start getting ready. It's almost 11 a.m. I was chilling for a little longer than I expected. We are going to get a move on here, and then I'm going to drive somewhere, potentially paddleboard, potentially hike. You guys are going to be on this journey with me. We'll see where I end up. Eventually, I will go home, edit this vlog, and post it same day. Fingers crossed. Okay. Everything is pretty much packed up. Let's get this tent down. Let's get this all out back in my car, and let's go on our adventure for the day. this vlog is going to take us, because I'm not going to go paddleboarding today. I'm just not in the mood. My neck hurts. I think I might go for a drive through Kananaskis. I don't know. You guys are going to see what I end up doing. But it is a beautiful day outside, so I definitely don't want to waste it. So let's see what I end up doing. So today's adventure is a bit of a bust, because everywhere I seem to go, there are like multiple cars, and I'd rather it be like maybe 1 or 2 cars there, not a parking lot full of people. That being said, I think I am just gonna go home. I'm gonna edit this vlog. If this is the end of my vlog, I do want to say thank you so much for watching if you've gotten to the end. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I am super excited to be posting again on my channel. It's been rough. For those who may know or may not know, I got injured at work a couple months ago, and it's been hell for recovery. So my videos have been pretty sporadic, but I'm feeling good and I am ready to start posting regularly. I will be posting on this channel on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. That is the plan. If I don't make it every Monday or every Thursday or every Saturday, obviously forgive me. It's summer. I'm out here trying to do things. I'm literally out here trying to create content for you guys. I will have a paddleboarding vlog coming up. I will have another camping vlog potentially coming up really soon. I am going camping with somebody, so if they're okay with me filming and posting our adventures, then you guys will get a second camping vlog coming up in the coming week or 2. Depends on how fast I edit that one. We are going to get back into pageantry videos, okay? I know some of y'all, majority of you guys are here for my pageant videos, and when I say we are getting back into them, I mean we are getting back into them. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.